Ketech Asia is the ammunition manufacturer in Malaysia. We produce small arms ammunition, 5.56 and also 9mm. We are using machines from Ateşi, our partners in Ankara, Turkey. We have very good relationship with the Turkey counterpart. This is our third year in DSA, NetSec. We are very honored to be participating for the third year, and we finally get to showcase our product to the users. Currently, we are manufacturing two calibers, 9mm and 5.56, where 9mm is 115 grain and also 124 grains. Also for 5.56, we have SS109 and M193. We can actually export and sell to everywhere in the world except for Israel. We also participate in events around the world. We recently came back from Riyadh. We went to Enforstech, Germany, also Indonesia Defense, Bangkok Defense. Next year, we might be showcasing our product in Abu Dhabi event. Currently, our factory is located in Malaysia, in Pahang to be exact. We have a high automated machineries. So the quality is at par with the international level. We have staff around more than 100, about 150 staff. Most of them or half of them are actually trained in Turkey. We send them to work in ammunition factory in Turkey and also in Cyprus. So we have good relationship with Ateşi, who actually help us in developing and transfer of technology to our staff. The knowledge that we procure from Turkey counterpart is highly regarded as a good partnership with the Turkey counterpart. We learn a lot from the Turkey country, the Turkish, and we hope to be as successful as the Turkey country for the defense industry.